What is something that you're very thankful for? I am so thankful for all the people who said I couldn't do it, for all the people who imposed their doubts on me, their hesitations about me. Those are the people that added fuel to my fire to achieve something very big. And at the time, it can feel like a kick to the heart when someone kind of rejects you in that way or discourages in you that way. And I want to just make you aware that you can make a conscious choice to let this discourage you, let this stand in your way, or you can add this as fuel to your fire and giving you the motivation and a catalyst, so to speak, for you to achieve more and actually to try harder. So the more of those sort of thought reversals that you can do, the higher your chances of success. And honestly, just the happier we'll feel, because in every given moment, we have the ability to interpret what is happening to us, and we have a choice to interpret it in a positive way or in a negative way. So be really aware of how you are interpreting things.